Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a quick mill Alexia EVO with us in the shop. This is a single boiler machine with the ability to control the temperature with a PID and also superheat the boiler for steaming capabilities, which could result in pretty good steam if you were to let out quite a bit of water. But we're going to quickly test the machine. It came in for a overhaul because this machine has never been reworked, or at least hasn't been in a very long time. You can kind of see that with the valves here. Pretty much all of them are pretty hard to get out because of all the amount of scale on them, and of course they're all shaving down, so they're leaking a bunch. And so we had to completely redo the whole E61 group head. It did have a silicone gasket in there, so we did replace it with a silicone gasket. It has IMS shower screen, so we did not replace the shower screen, we reused those. For IMS shower screens, you can reuse them. Because it's all one sheet of metal instead of a mesh that is layered on top of one sheet of metal. And after that, we did deep clean the temperature probe, because you can imagine with all that scale on the valves that there would be quite a lot in the boilers. When we decided to descale the boilers, it took quite a while to actually finish descaling because there was just so much in there. But of course, we went through that, back flushed it to make sure there's no coffee oils anywhere inside of the group head. Completely deep cleaned the group head and made sure everything was working right. So now we're going to quickly do a shot. We're going to put this in here. Grab a cup. Don't worry if the shot runs a little too fast or slow. We don't calibrate our grinder here, our test grinder for machines, so we just kind of whatever comes out is perfectly fine. We just want to make sure that coffee is coming out. And as you can see, it is right now. It seems to be a little too coarse on our grinder, but that's perfectly fine. We just want to make sure water comes out. Turn that off. We're going to pull this out. You see how much water comes out. And then we're going to quickly turn the steam function on. Now I'm going to open this steam on because there's going to be a lot of water that wants to run out because we're going to superheat the boiler pretty much. Let that heat up real quick. We'll be back when it's fully heated. Alright, now that we have it fully warmed up, we're going to open the steam on. And as you can see, it's working pretty well. And that's about it for this research. If you like this video or any of the other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.